With example 3, we are told that 500 television enthusiasts were surveyed, and that of those surveyed, 3/8 enjoy sitcoms the most, while 1/4 enjoy dramas the most. And then we're asked what fraction prefer watching sitcoms or dramas. Now, this question brings up an interesting point before we get to the actual problem. This or here. When we're looking at two different sets and we're asked what is part of this set or that set, that's called a union. That means we want not what is and, what is which, like both sitcoms and dramas, which in this case, since it's most, would be none, because you can't have two favorites. But when it's or, we want to add them together, because anything that satisfies one or the other is what satisfies this or statement. So we're looking at the fraction, because of that or statement, fraction that likes sitcoms most, or, which means we add the fraction that like dramas most. And we're given those in the problem. That would be 3/8 plus 1/4. And now we're looking at adding unlike fractions, so we want to know what's the least common denominator of 3/8 and 1/4. So we look at what's the least common multiple of 8 and 4. In this case, it's just 8, because 4 times 2 equals 8. So 3/8 stays the same, plus 1/4. Now, how do we get that over 8 instead of 4? Well, what do we have to multiply 4 by to get 8? That would be 2. And what we do to the bottom, we have to do to the top. So simplifying that further, we have 3/8 plus 1 times 2 is 2, 4 times 2 is 8. So it's 3/8 plus 2/8, and now we have like fractions, so we just add the numerators. The denominator stays the same, and we have 5/8. So 5/8 of those surveyed like sitcoms or dramas most.